Hello, my name is Claudia Nieto. I have 30 years old. I'm from Colombia, exactly in Cucuta. In this moment, I work in Polymerica. Polymerica is enterprise of plastic packaging. I am sales manager of Polymerica. I have two daughters. My daughters have 9 and 14 years old. Also, I live with my mother. My mother is 68 years old. In this moment, I study business administrator in the University Open Distance unit. I am 4th semester. This is activity speaking of course English 2, group 65. Thank you. Towards the end of 2008, I was in Santa Marta. The picture is airplane, Bogota, Santa Marta. Exactly in the Rodadero. This is place wonderful, beautiful, color place. If for you comes with greatness of God and the detail He had when creating. This is a airport, the Santa Marta. I am in the beach in night. Outside the place wonderful, very wonderful. The weather is very pleasant despite heat of the coast. The sea is blue, a spectacular blue, and in specific parts you can see the fish of various species with majestic colors of the different size. The sun is nice, and you can call it shells various size. Bahia Concha has a sound in the shape of a toad. The legend says the women who want to be mothers can go there, sit on that stones, and they can get pregnant. Will be true? Well, I don't know prove here. Really, I don't know. I had the experience of diving where I can observe corals, fish, and algae. It is a unique experience and recommending doing it. Although it is a whole the breeze that runs is very refreshing, which makes it very pleasant, and in many cases to stay and live there. When traveling to Santa Marta, you must take into account into account hydrate well, so much hydrate. Since the heat requires drinking enough liquid, it is not recommended to drink from the water Santa Marta. It's not potable. He should take into account applying sunscreen. The water is very hot. Don't not forget to carry light luggage, the above overcoat. I recommend it. Eat the fish is very delicious. Really delicious. The pictures is a fish. I don't remember name, but very delicious, very big, is fresh. is typical it in the zone. In these pictures is a coral, is various fish, different species in the place. The center in Santa Marta, Pipo Valderrama, monument Pedro Alejandrino, a place typical of Santa Marta. Should take into account apply no sunscreen. The water is very hot. Do not forget to carry light luggage. The most important thing is to have a good attitude. It's very, very important, the attitude. And enjoy such a wonderful place. Meet and swim a lot. The picture is Malcolm of Santa Marta. Native Indians of Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta. The place tourists of Santa Marta. This airport, Santa Marta. This is transport sea of containers, others country. My plane, Comba Bogota, is Baybare, color pink, pink color. Airplane new. This is moment. Remember, is Santa Marta is a typical place in Colombia. It's excellent place. I recommended to visit the Santa Marta. Is wonderful. Is great place. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.